This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Android Studio. So I'm right here on the main Android Studio download page. You can find it at developer.android.com/studio. I will of course put that link in the video description just below this video, so you can just click that link and you'll wind up here, save you searching around for stuff. So we are going to click on this white button here for download Android Studio. And we have these terms and conditions. We have to scroll to the bottom. Now we need to confirm that we have read the above terms and conditions. And now that gives us access to, well, it's worked out that I'm on a Mac, which is correct. If you're obviously using a Windows machine, it will know that you're on a Windows machine. But I have the Apple chip rather than the Intel chip, so I'll go with the Apple chip for Apple Silicon. And that will instantly download. So we get this little pop-up here with the Android badge as well. So depending on your browser, I have Google Chrome. It goes directly to my downloads folder. That is where the installer will go. Hopefully you found this video on how to download Android Studio useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.